Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is going to be another quick short one. We are just going to do the overview on the wiring harness for this 1992 Funrise ambulance. In the last two videos, I was just cleaning parts of it, and now we're going to overview this spaghetti of wiring. So let's get into it. Okay, we are going to start at the speaker. Now this is it's a speaker. I mean, what do you expect from it? Uh, Nothing special about it besides it's definitely broken because of water damage and it is rusty. So then the speaker is connected by what I think used to be 3 wires, maybe. I don't. I don't know. It's the wires are so brittle they just snap in half. But so yeah, we got that. And then this part, come on. This would go into the side of the ambulance, and these were the buttons that were on the outside. That would make the different noises and do the different things. This is actually, I got kind of a pretty well-made piece until you get down in the spaghetti, and then we're at the main circuit board. Now, the main circuit board is really small, which I would imagine is pretty good for 1992. I mean, it's just a couple sounds, but hey, I don't know. It's all coming out from basically one side, so that's probably where the spaghetti started. And then the third part of this wiring harness that I found is the light bulbs. Each light bulb has two wires going to it from the main circuit board, and I don't know why. Maybe because they have different patterns, I'd imagine. But I don't know which ones went to the headlights. Yeah, that's why I'm gonna get a new one of these if I can find one, because it's all busted up and yeah, like look, snapped wire. That's one light bulb. This when I pulled the truck apart, this was just loose, like like under the cab. It was just loose under the cab, flopping around. I also have this yellow wire, and that one was also loose. That one's like got white on it. It was probably hanging outside of the ambulance. And then there were wires coming out from the sides of the cab. This thing was a mess. I just wanted to clean it up and make it look a bit better. To be honest, it looks better in pieces on my desk than it did before, sitting by the rest of my rotting Tonka trucks. Unfortunately, all those Tonka trucks, have the base is missing on some of them. Like that white one is bent. That Ford Explorer, its base is just the garbage. It's got a big old hole in it. So yeah, I gotta try to find if I can find a part for that Explorer, I'll be satisfied. And then I got another Tonka garbage truck that's holding all of Pinky's kittens in, and I had a couple big old Tonkas, but I wanted to work on this one first because I have a soft spot for old cutaway vans, so that's why I'm working on this. And that like how did this make that work at some point? Like it's just spaghetti. Like I did not wrap this up. It was just like this. It was just like that, you know? They just all kind of sprung together like they were being held in place by something. Um but in fact they were held in place by something. It was called loosely just plugged in. Yeah, really that was it. They see the drill? You see the big hole? It would just plug in there and they could just pull it out without breaking it. And yeah. Oh, one more thing I wanted to talk about on this. These are the red and the black positive wires, positive and negative. These went to the battery terminal, but as you probably saw, no, you didn't because I didn't record it. But the base has the place where the batteries go on it, and they're all rusty, and I can't get them out because they're like soldered in there, and I can't break it with a screwdriver. I don't have anything for it. So, yeah, I had to just snip these off to get the wiring harness out without having to break it. But this circuit board is just... I mean, look at that. Like, that doesn't look good at all. Yeah, so it's just... This is my little project, and I wanted to show you guys the circuit board, talk about some things. That is my parts Pringles top. Yeah, that's a Pringles top, but it holds all of the useful parts and screws from this and that Jada truck and just some wheels I found on this Lamborghini. So that's it for the video. And y'all niggas just broke your leg. Weewoo, weewoo, weewoo.